This is the Guilty Pleasures. So, James. James is our cameraman. Isn't he beautiful? James is a lovely young man. This is the Guilty Pleasures contest for 20-some season of the ukulele. And this is my guilty pleasure. That was a good one. That was brilliant. Oh my heavens. Okay. That was funny. Oh baby, baby, how was I supposed to know? Something wasn't right here. Oh baby, baby, I shouldn't have let you go. Now you're out of sight, yeah, showing me how you want it to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign.
Baby, one more time.
Oh, that makes me happy. Oh, pretty baby, the reason I'm breathing is you. Girl, you got me blinded. Oh, pretty baby, there's nothing I wouldn't do. It's not the way I planned it. Show me how you want me to be. Tell me, baby, 'cause I need to know. My loneliness is killing me. I must confess I still believe. When I'm not with you, I lose my mind. Give me a sign.
Hit me, baby, one more time.
That's beautiful. There's another song that I love to do. Every day is so wonderful. Suddenly, it's hard to breathe. Now and then I get so insecure from all the pain. I'm so ashamed. But I am beautiful no matter what you say. Words won't bring me down. Yeah, I am beautiful in every single way. Words won't bring me down. No, no, don't you bring me down today. All your friends, you're delirious, so consumed by all your rules. Trying hard to fill the emptiness. The piece is gone, a puzzle left undone. But we are beautiful, no matter what you say. Words won't bring us down. Yeah, we are beautiful in every single way. Words won't bring us down. No, no, don't you bring us down today. No matter what you do, no matter what you say, the sun keeps shining through, the cloud won't go away. And everywhere you go, and everyone you do, the sun comes shining through. For we are beautiful, no matter what you say. Words won't bring us down. No, no. morning today. You guys are awesome for singing along with me, and I appreciate you more than I can tell you. Thank you.